मैनर कर लिए, जल्दी से बताएंगे। एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम आई थिंक हमने कर लिया। एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ कंट्रास्ट, एडवर्ब ऑफ रीजन, कंजंक्टिव एडवर्ब, एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री। आई थिंक वी हैव कवर्ड दैम। So only two main types of adverbs are left, class. Yes, ठीक है. The one is relative adverb, sorry, and the another one is interrogative adverb. First, we are going to talk about interrogative adverb, and then we would be talking about relative adverb. Thus, interrogative adverb is somehow important because it contains an ocean of information, knowledge in it. If I ask you people that what is meant by an interrogative sentence, most of you would be coming with the answer, कि ma'am, all those types of sentences which basically ask a question is called as an interrogative sentence or interrogative. Now the question is that कि आपके different helping verbs used होते हैं in order to ask a question. For example, was she sleeping? Are they making a noise? Then we have WH words. What is your name? What color do you like the most? Which is your favorite book? So all these sentences are in the form of a question. Now the question is that what helping verb or what WH question we have to include in interrogative adverb. हर वो क्वेश्चन जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं या हर वो सेंटेंस बेसिकली जो आपसे क्वेश्चन दैट इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन इज नॉट द एग्जांपल ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब. इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब में कौन कौन से WH वर्ड्स यूज्ड होंगे? एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ रीजन, एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. So if these WH questions are asking any type of question, it means they are the example of interrogative adverb. For example, how is teacher delivering her lecture? Question mark. Adverb of manner is being asked. When is she going to take class? Question mark. Adverb of time. Where are you going? Question mark. Adverb of place. Why? कल हमने adverb of reason किया था class. Why are you crying? ठीक है? A reason is being asked. How many times? Basically, this depicts the adverb of frequency. For example, for how many times I have to repeat the same question again and again. अब ये सारे क्वेश्चंस WH वर्ड्स अगर यूज्ड होंगे तो ये आपके इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स होंगे. लेकिन अगर मैं ये कहूंगी जी व्हाट इज योर नेम, विच इज योर फेवरेट बुक, ठीक है, व्हाट कलर डू यू लाइक द मोस्ट, तो ये आपको नाउन का आंसर करें कि आपको किसी प्लेस, किसी टाइम, किसी मैनर, किसी रीजन या किसी फ्रिक्वेंसी का आंसर नहीं करें. ठीक है. सो दिस इज हाउ एन इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब बेसिकली वर्क्स. समझ आ गई क्लास? Now I am saying some sentences. Let me know if they are the example of adverb of interrogative adverb or not. The first one is when will you come? When will you come? Okay, and what about others? Only Ariba is sitting here in the class and she is listening to me. Others are sleeping. Or am I talking to a cat or a wall, maybe? Am I talking to living things, class? Human beings? The next one is, why are you late today? Why are you late today? Why are you? Yes, okay, this is adverb of reason. How did you solve this problem? How did you solve this problem? How did you solve this problem? How? Yes, it is the example of adverb of manner. Abdullah, why you are not replying? Mahanur, Muhammad, what's the reason? The next one is, how long will the meeting last? How long will the meeting last? Adverb time. Okay. Next one is, how far is your school from here? How far is your school from here? How far is your school? This is the adverb of place. Okay. Adverb of place. The last one is, how often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? Adverb of frequency. Okay, class, the last one is relative adverb. The way you people leave class when I ask a question say a lot about your preparation. Say a lot about your marks that you are going to achieve. ठीक है? This is the depiction of your own hard work and dedication, not the depiction of my teaching. It's a very pathetic type of behavior when teacher asks a question and you people leave the class. This behavior is not going to be entertained in your board exams. Thus, the last one is a relative adverb. A relative basically it's a type of a word basically. Again, we would be discussing different types of adverbs and relative adverb. There are some certain words which are used in order to join two clauses, but they are not relative adverb. How? For example, first of all, you should know that relative adverbs is always our relative adverb is always used in the mid of a sentence because it joins two different clauses. Then, which type of relative adverbs basically we use in the usage of relative adverbs? They are when, again, the adverb of time, then adverb of place, adverb of reason, and adverb of somehow manner as well. ठीक है? But adverb of time, place, reason, they are most used in the usage of relative adverb. Along with that, there is another word which is not commonly used in our language, but it is also the example of relative adverb. बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है, ये आपके पेपर में आ सकता है. ठीक है, ये बेसिकली हम how के लिए ही यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. For example, class, let us just see different examples. If I say that this is the day when we met. So this when basically is giving you the answer of time, adverb of time, and it is being used in order to join two different clauses. The way a relative basically works, which joins your family, our family, the same task is done by relative adverb as well. The second one is where. This is the part where we enjoy her birthday party. This where is telling you about adverb of place, and it is joining two clauses. This is the part we enjoyed her birthday party. Same goes for why. This is the reason why I was being late. So why is now the example of relative adverb. Where by की example एक कर लेते हैं. This is the way. Yeah, this is the method whereby success is achieved. ठीक है, how success is achieved basically asking a manner. This is the method. कोई भी अगर method है कि like if you will be working hard, you would be a successful person. So we are basically talking about the method how. ठीक है, whereby का मतलब होता है how. So लेकिन क्लास अगर ये सेंटेंस ऐसे हो ना कि this is the book that I like the most. अब that it of course is joining two different clauses. ठीक है, this is the book that I like the most, और red is my favorite color which most of the people are wearing. अब that और which की हम usage कर तो रहे, they are also joining your clauses, two clauses, but they would be the example of relative pronoun, not noun. ठीक है, somehow प्रोनाउन रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन होगा, वो जब हम प्रोनाउंस की टाइप करेंगे तो वहां आप लोगों को समझ आएगी. लेकिन अगर आपका कोई रिलेटिव एडवर्ब आपको टाइम के बारे में बता रहे हैं, आपको प्लेस के बारे में बता रहे हैं, मैनर के बारे में बता रहे हैं, समहाउ रीजन के बारे में बता रहे हैं, so they become the example of relative adverbs, and if they are joined by two clauses. Got it, class? Okay, so these were the two types of the adverbs that were left. We are done with all the types of adverbs. Tomorrow we would be going through a quiz related to types of adverbs and types of clauses. And afterwards, we would be trying to cover some of the types of adjectives. The last question, class, do you people know the difference between he is on time and he is in time? The usage of preposition in for the time. He is on time. अलीसा, आपने मुझे मैसेज नहीं किया, आपके पेपर्स मैंने चेक किए. I needed to give you the feedback. I also dropped a text in the group as well. हाँ जी. Class, basically n and on, these are two different types of prepositions. They are used for the discussion of time. ठीक है, this is not something that is related to your paper, but like in common conversation or in our daily life English, when we are speaking and talking in English, so we need to know the difference between the usage of in time and on time. Class, just suppose if you are having any specific class, ठीक है, yes, and directly entering into the class exactly at 5 o'clock, so you would be using that we were on time. We were on time. But if you people are coming 15 minutes prior or 15 minutes early to the commencement of class or before the starting of class, 20 मिनट्स अर्ली, यानी कि टाइम से पहले आप क्लास जो है वो ज्वाइन करते हैं। सो फिर आप लोग यूज करेंगे इन, कि वी आर इन टाइम। एग्जैक्ट टाइम पे आना इज ऑन, टाइम से पहले आना इज इन। What the difference? Because this was the usage of preposition. Any question related to the interrogative adverb? By the way, interrogative adverb is very, very important. ठीक है, and most of the time an MCQ related to relative adverb and relative sorry, interrogative adverb and interrogative pronoun, interrogative adjective is there. So there are different identifications of all these. Grammar MCQs की practice आप Brennan Martin is the best. ठीक है, Brennan Martin. Most of the MCQs in your board exams are from there. But it is like now they have not updated it. ठीक है, and grammar is always being evolved. So exercises वहाँ बेहतर है, but like types, parts of speech की कुछ types होती हैं वो वहाँ mention नहीं होती। ठीक है, so वो आप कर लिया करें, otherwise exercises के लिए that is perfect. Class, take care then. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. टाइप्स अभी जैसे मैं लास्ट टाइम देख रही थी, टाइप्स ऑफ कंजंक्शंस, टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेपोजिशंस देख रही थी, तो उसमें नहीं मेंशन थी, लाइक उसमें कोई दो तीन टाइप्स ही मेंशन थी। देयर वर मिसिंग, सम टाइप्स वर मिसिंग। सो you need to have a keen research related to different things, but for exercises it is a good source.